Hello everyone. This is second lecture of factors influencing consumer behavior. In this, we will discuss about two factors, personal factors and psychological factors. The personal factors influencing buyer behavior. Personal factors including the buyer's age and stage in the life cycle, occupation and economic circumstances, lifestyle and personality and self-concept. First, First one, age and stage in the life cycle. People buy different goods and services over a lifetime. They eat baby food in the early years, most foods in the growing and mature years, and special diets in the later year. Taste in clothes, furniture, and recreation is also age related, which is why smart marketers are attentive to the influence of age. Similarly, consumption is shaped by the family life cycle. The traditional family life cycle covers stages in adult lives, starting with independence from parents and continuing into marriage, child rearing, empty nest years, retirement, and later life. Second, occupation and economic circumstances. Occupation also influence a person's consumption pattern. A blue collar worker will buy work clothes and lunch boxes, while a company president will buy expensive suits and a country club membership. For these reasons, marketers should identify the occupational groups that are more interested in their products and services and consider specializing their products for certain occupations. Third, lifestyle. People from the same subculture, social class, and occupation may actually lead quite different lifestyle. A lifestyle is a person's pattern of living in the world as expressed in activities, interests, and opinions. Fourth, personality and self concept. Each person has a distinct personality that influences buying behavior. Personality refers to the distinguished psychological characteristics that lead to relatively consistent and enduring responses to environment. And the last, psychological factors influencing buyer behaviors. These are force, motivation, perception, learning, beliefs, and attitudes. First is motivation. A person has many needs at any given time. Some needs are biogenic. They arise from psychological states of tension such as hunger, thirst, discomfort. Other needs are psychogenic. They arise from psychological states of tension such as the need of recognition, esteem, or belonging. A need becomes a motive when it is aroused to a sufficient level of intensity. A motive is a need that is sufficiently pressing to drive the person to act. Second is perception. Perception is the process by which an individual selects, organizes, and interprets information inputs to create a meaningful picture of the world. Individuals can have different perceptions of the same object. Learning. When people act, they learn. Learning involves changes in an individual's behavior that arise from experience. Most human behavior is learned. Theorists believe that learning is produced through the interplay of drives, stimuli, cues, responses, and reinforcement. Fourth, beliefs and attitude. A belief is a descriptive thought that a person holds about something. Beliefs may be based on knowledge, opinion, or faith, and they may or may not carry an emotional charge. Particularly, Important to global marketers is the fact that buyers often hold distinct beliefs about brands or products based on their country of origin. An attitude is a person's enduring favorable or unfavorable evaluations, emotional feelings, and action tendencies towards some object or idea. Attitudes put them into a frame of mind of liking or disliking an object, moving towards or away from it. Attitudes lead people to behave in a fairly consistent way towards similar objects. Okay, thank you.